Holtry, the Director of Children and Youth Services, and with me is Karen Alonzo from Children and Youth, our Fiscal Operations Officer, Sally Berry, the Director of Probation Services, and Sue Christner, Deputy Director of Juvenile Probation Services. We're here today to review with you our implementation budget for fiscal year 17-18, our needs-based budget for fiscal year 18-19 for your approval, and we'd also like to give you a final year report on our previous fiscal year 16-17. Excuse me. For fiscal year 16-17, we were certified at $8,554,448 with a county share of $2,149,660. We actually come in underspent at $7,396,108, which is a difference of $1,158,340. As a result of that, the county share went down to $1,739,055, which directly reflects savings to the county of $410,605. The biggest and most significant reason for the underexpenditure is the fact that juvenile probation was underspent in all four major service categories this year. So we saved the county a little over $410,000. Okay.
Any additional comment?
Our implementation budget for fiscal year 17-18 remains the same as approved last year in the amount of $8,105,221 with a county share of $2,030,180. There's no change of any sort in our implementation budget for this fiscal year. And our needs-based budget, which is seeking approval today, is in the amount of $8,162,735, which is an increase of $55,514 more than the previous fiscal year, which is due to anticipated salary increases, health care costs, and additional costs in adoption services. County share will be $1,950,195, which is $79,985 less than the previous year, and we base that on the formula that we'll get our full Act 148 state money reimbursement. So it would be my recommendation that the needs-based budget be approved. I'll certainly entertain any questions you may have.
I'll make a motion to adopt the budgets as presented.
Second.
It's been moved and seconded. Any questions? Yes, John.
I guess I would have, this is a turnaround from previous years.
Right.
Wonderful.
And, you know, in general, I see the four categories all underspent. Can you be more specific in where you've tightened up things and efficiencies?
Yes.
I'll turn that over to Sally.
I'll actually defer to Sue.
Nice job.
So I think we can attribute that to a couple of things. First, I think this past fiscal year has been a bit of an anomaly. We have been fortunate in that our overall number of youth referred have been down this year. We also experienced the release of several offenders from high-cost, secure placement facilities, and they were actually being released at a rate that was much faster than we were actually replacing them. That at the beginning of this fiscal year has started to change a little bit. We've gotten some more complicated cases that have come through that we've not been able to manage within the community. But I think it's definitely worth pointing out that we as a department have done a lot over the past 2 or 3 years to expand our community-based resources, to really implement evidence-based practices in our work. And I know we've come before the commissioners a couple times and talked about you know, wanting to expand those services and really putting a lot of effort into that on the front end, knowing that on the back end we would really start to see some cost savings. And I'm really excited that this year we're starting to see the fruits of our labor. I think it's great for the county, I think it's great for the community, I think it's great for the kids we serve that we're really starting to see good outcomes. So though this year was a bit of an anomaly, I think we can also just look at figures and see that we're starting to really work effectively in community-based services for delinquent youth in Lebanon County. That's something to be proud of.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Any other questions? If not, all in favor of the motion, please indicate by saying aye.
Aye.
Opposed, same sign, so moved.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.